Hey everyone, I'm back with another update video for Troncase Pro. So as you know, this new smart contract has been around for a minute. And the reason I'm doing an update video for today is because even though I don't have a transaction on this smart contract every day, I was noticing that the balance was going down a bit. Now, they do have a balance of over 10 million TRX, and that translates into 920,181.65 US dollars. They have over 47,000 transactions. And this contract did start July 10th of 2021. What's a little concerning is that even though it is a large balance, it's still not on the trajectory that it was. As you can see, there was some 57 million TRX initially invested, and they have over 21,000 active participants. So it is a pretty solid contract, but just like any contract, when you start seeing a little bit of a downward trajectory, then that's when you would make a decision of, hey, is it time for me to jump out or make some decisions about where I need to go at this point. So it's still at 1.5% daily because I have this hold bonus of 1%. The basic rate has always been 0.5%. I have 100 TRX initially deposited, and then based on the referral levels, I've been able to withdraw where it automatically went to the wallet was 1407.8 TRX. So we're just going to leave this here. We're not going to do a withdrawal. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up so that you can check your situation, see what you want to do, and then, make the proper decisions from there. I'll be back with another update probably later on today or early tomorrow morning. But until then, happy investing, safe investing. Talk to you soon.